What's up guys, Spot here, and today guys, you follow me at Alesford station where I'll be taking you around Alesford station. So here I am on the platform. We are going to be seeing a steam train come into the station, which I'm really excited for. I have not really seen another steam train come in before, but yeah, welcome to my new video address at Alesford Station on the Watercress line. So you guys join me at the Watercress line here today. So that you guys going there, Watercress line. But yeah, it's a lovely station this is. Let me show you the other side. Yeah, lovely view. Let me show you the other part. So that you guys know, this is Alesford. Yeah, you rejoin me at Alesford Station. Here's another sign here. Yeah, and this is the big sign here guys. This is for the station. You rejoin me here guys. And then yeah, I'm really excited to be here today with my mum. Yeah. I've not really been here before guys, and not really actually been, well, on the platform, but there you go. But let me take you down here to show you a bit more of, well, the station. But yeah, let me take you down here guys so you can actually have a look on here. So here we have a lovely view of well, the old train that was running quite a few weeks ago. And this is not running today guys, as you're seeing. And we also have some other trains over there as well.
Not really, why pre-ordered. Because I need,
Yeah.
I've got to do all the afternoon tea now really.
This is the back of it guys. Yeah. And this is the tunnel where I'll be coming in. But yeah, this is my first ever time standing on the platform. I'm very happy about this. Yeah, welcome to my new YouTube video I guess. And you rejoin me at Alesford Station. Yeah, not much going on now. You can see there's a tunnel right there where the train will come in. There's the other side. Yes, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And I want to say a big thank you guys for getting me to 94 subscribers on the channel. Thank you guys for that, I really appreciate it. And yeah, we're obviously another steam train come through soon. And here we give you a tour I guess of the station. So here we have the lovely Alesford sign here. We also got some white hair stuff here. And that is basically about that. Yeah. Here we have some lovely benches which is here. Very nice, very nice. That's the bridge over there. Don't know if I'm allowed to go on it, but yeah. But yeah. And let me show you more of the station. So here we have some signs here of where you need to go. We have some more bits here. And if you guys want to volunteer, there's a sign here. And here we have the Watercress Line sign here. This is the bridge here. And that's some of the lights there where the train will be stopping at. Let me talk to you guys more about this station. This station has a class 150 that comes through every week. It's not running today, guys, unfortunately. But today, guys, I will be doing a other steam train that. So I just saw a steam train, guys, that just came past to go to Rocky Station. Just left. I can show you what that train was if I show you on the board now. And this is what we just saw, which is this one. And then I'm seeing this one here. But this is not running today, guys. The 15023, that's not running today, guys. Yeah, that's basically it. That's basically the whole entire station. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Me showing you around Alesford Station. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, please make sure you give a massive thumbs up and and subscribe to my channel for me. That would really help. Guys, please go and subscribe to my ex-boyfriend Sam on his channel. That would really help me out. But yeah, guys, if you guys want more train spotting videos, please let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna say for now. There is some towers here. And then we've got a telephone thing here. And these are some of the lights here, as you can see. Yeah, that's basically it. That's basically everything I am showing you today on Alesford Station. If you guys did, please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and goodbye.